everybody, it is Alexandra here at Leisure RV Center DFW. We are a dealership, a part of Vogt RV World, where we house our Day One Service Initiative and enroll our customers in our VRV family membership for 12 months on us. Today we have the 2025 Chinook Bayside rear sofa right behind me, and I'm super excited to show you guys around. We are here on the Ford Transit chassis. You have the 3.5 liter EcoBoost turbo engine within this motorhome, along with being all-wheel drive. And another little thing that I love about Chinook that they just add that little twist to is that they put a nice thermal suppression at every point that could possibly lead to any potential fires. This unit is equipped with the Adventure package, so you have your Nerf side step at your driver door and then on your passenger side as well. The awesome ladder to lead up to your great storage roof rack. Here on the back side, we're a 30 amp service. We do have our gas generator as well that we are equipped with. With the Ford Transit doors, you are able to open these at a pretty extensive level, so you can see all angles of where you're at view-wise. So it's really nice that these can open as far back as they can. So whether you're at the beach, the mountains, whatever view that you are wanting to see, or just at whatever, you know, tailgating or anything of that sort, you're able to open those up and just hang out back here as well. With Chinook, they have made a couple of changes within their models. So they have gone and taken propane off of their unit, switching over to the Timberline heating system. So that is going to heat your water and be your furnace. You'll see the exhaust right at the very corner of it. This unit for that, super nice because it's only using your fuel system for it. So true electric vehicle, no propane on here whatsoever. So let's head on inside, come on. All right, so here up in the cab, you're gonna have your safety features. Again, we are on the Ford Transit chassis, so you're gonna have your blind spot detection, your collision warning. On here is gonna have your crosswind stabilization, and just a few more that I'm gonna post to the side, so pause, read over those. You're also gonna have your screen here. This is going to do your Apple CarPlay, your Android Auto. You can change different driving features on here as well, you know, for different conditions, navigation's on here. All of the great things that you could think of, and also cup holders for days, because that is what's important. All right, we have made it into the house portion. So when you do walk in, you're going to be met with your wet bath here, which is of a really good size, pretty spacious within. And then you're also going to have your pull across shower curtain, so that will lock in, and then ta-da! And then when you come in, you're gonna have a little over the head storage spot met with your galley area here. You do have your portable induction cooktop, so I really love this because you are not forced to cook within your motorhome if you did not want to. You can unplug and take it right out. Down below is going to be our convection microwave, and you have a good set of storage within. Storage underneath your kitchen sink, storage underneath your refrigerator. Here you're going to have the 12 volt Norcold refrigerator. So we're tied into the batteries here, freezer down below with adjustable shelves, along with adjustable shelves in the Norcold, and it can hold a half gallon of milk. It is proven and tested right here at Leisure RV Center DFW. Back here further, you're going to have some more over the head storage, some hanging storage closet within as well. And then we have made it to our bed area. Back here you can do, I mean, a lot. You got your table mount down below, so that will be able to, you know, if you're here hanging out with some people, everybody can eat back here, whichever you need. This thing can be turned into like a recliner. You can turn it into a big queen size bed, or keep it as 2 twin beds, keep this open space, make it easier to get in and out, whichever you need. A lot to do back here, but it's very nice, it's very comfy. In Chinooks, they also do the padded vinyl wall with the hush mount, so if there was a lot of noise going on in here, I don't know if you could get it through the video, but that's why you're gonna come out and see me, because we are gonna be out in the open, hear a lot of noise, shut the door, and be able to hear just silence. It makes it a very nice and quiet motorhome for out there on any type of adventure and anything that you need to do. Thank you so much for watching our video today. Please leave a comment down below of what your favorite thing was about the Chinook Bayside rear sofa. Along with that comment, like and subscribe so you can stay tuned for more videos down the line. Happy camping!